Best thing I think for an in-house lawyer to have is to have a common sense in bucket loads. Understand that it's not just simply about reading text and being able to understand case law and whatever, which is important obviously, but you got to have common sense. You got to deal less with law, more with the business, more with the interaction, the relationships that you have in a business. So you got to really develop that and be able to stand alone and to be able to be the person of conviction with that, because a lot of times people turn to you and go, what's the law here, or what's the position here? You got to be able to impart that with a conviction, with a credibility. That's what's really important if you want to make that switch.
To become a GC or to take on a senior role within the legal department, within any business, it's very important to become part and one with the business. So to understand it, to ask the questions, to build those relationships, to be seen as someone who not only is going to come when something goes wrong, but suggest solutions and ways of improving.
Yeah, I mean, my piece of advice was, it's a great career, but I would say there's a lot of change. So embrace that change. Don't try and resist it. In fact, more than embrace it, try and lead the change. And I would say be curious, be willing to learn new skill sets, because in this changing world, new skill sets are going to be necessary.
The tips I would give would be to choose really carefully and make sure you choose at the right point in your career. It's fantastic to get your training in a law firm. I think law firms train people really well, and you get the right standards and you get exposure to lots of different companies, which is fantastic.
I think in-house legal roles give a relatively unique opportunity to get involved in all sorts of different areas of an organisation, different sorts of projects, and I think to sort of be a little bit brave and just jump in and get involved is important.